I have added 80 grams of butter. And a little bit of lemon zest para masarap. Around a teaspoon. Tapos so guys, ilagay natin sa freezer for a few minutes, okay? So ready na siya. This is the best dessert for Christmas. So we have one half cup of full cream milk. Ating i-heat up for a while, then we will add our gelatin. 24 grams of gelatin. So, sit aside natin, guys. Sit aside. May mga da-da-da. Prepare na natin ang ating cream. So, I'll be using 250 grams of cream cheese. Any brand, guys. I love Philadelphia, but you can use any brand. So half tablespoon of lemon juice, guys, that will do. 1 can of condensed, around 395 grams. A teaspoon of vanilla. We will add our cream, guys. So very easy lang siya. So I added 300 ml cream. So hindi kailangan mag-stiff siya, guys. So mix lang siya, tapos ilagay natin ang ating gelatin. So, na-mix na natin, guys, ang ating gelatin. So, mixed siya. Lagay tayo, guys, ng 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Ano na tayo, guys, ano ba yun? We are going to, ano siya, malapit na siya mag-set. So, i-arrange na natin, guys. yum, yum. This is yum. But I just love to have a tiger. This is tiger. But it will become tiger bomb.
Stripey.
Ah.
Oh yeah. Hold on, Troy. What day did you want to tell?
Or end of the world.
That's
Sometimes guys, this is my Christmas dessert, and I will put this on the fridge for around 2 to 3 hours, or ready for the midnight Christmas. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is sHome. Have a good time, everyone. I love you guys. Bye bye. Can you see that? So guys, this is now no baked cake, okay? So let me sing a merry little Christmas dessert. Our Christmas cheesecake dessert, okay? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. sHome. And thank you for watching, guys. Merry Christmas, everyone. Mag-taste tayo, guys. Watching, guys, and enjoy. This is sHome. Bye-bye and Merry Christmas. Wow. So, guys, this is our final product, guys. This is our Christmas dessert, and thank you for watching and Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye. sHome.